India. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about these twists that I have in right now. This is going to be kind of like a transformation kind of video, I guess, with the hair. So I did these twists about like 2 weeks ago, and I did not do a video on it just because I was like, these are like pretty simple kind of twist, and there are a lot of videos on these, but I'm about to install them again. So I was like, okay, well, since I'm doing them a second time, let me just go ahead and film a video. So I wanted to show you guys the color because I'm using the exact same hair but in a 1B. So this is the red. So of course the black hair is mine, and then I twisted in this red color, which is like a burgundy ombre type of color. I did use the rubber band method, so I have the rubber band up here, and then I just put the braiding hair, you know, underneath the rubber band and then twisted it together, and then I put a rubber band at the end and just cut the hair like that, and I added a few little you know, whatever these are called, bead thingies in the front. I don't know what you call those hair accessories, but yeah, so I'm going to be doing this again. So let me show you guys the hair. So this is by Sis. This is their water wave braid. Comes in a 3-pack. It's 20 inches long, and this is the color 1B. It comes in a bunch of different colors. You guys can even see on here they have this pink too, and there's like a blue and a purple as well, in addition to like your standard like blondes, reds, and you know, your 1Bs and stuff. So yeah, the red is just like super limiting. Like, it's really cute, but it's just, you know, like wearing red, like sometimes it's hard to do outfits with red. I feel like it's okay for like blonde and like 1Bs and stuff, and when you're wearing red, it's hard to wear other colors. So anyway, yeah, these are only like 2 weeks old, so I was like, let me just redo them again in black, and wear them for like another 2 weeks before I wash my hair. So yeah, what am I going to be using today is going to be that hair. We're going to be using the Murray's Edge Wax. I got some more of these little accessory things. I think I might use these to twist in on 2 of them. That might be cute. And then just add some little random ones on. And of course, you're gonna need some hair clips and some scissors as well, and your rubber bands too, as well, your little small black rubber bands. So yeah, all I'm gonna do is just go ahead and start taking these out. I think I'm gonna take them out like I don't think I want to do 1 by 1. I think I'm going to maybe take out all the braiding hair, like all the red braiding hair first, and then come back and like, because I want to undo each rubber band and, you know, like put more edge wax, you know, get it nice and smooth, and then reapply the rubber band and twist it again. So I'm not just going to change the hair out. Like, I want to make sure the root is nice and straight, but these come out super easy, you guys. So once you undo that twist, you can see my hair and the braiding hair, and then you can just pull it out just like this. And I actually am going to save this hair. It is only 2 weeks old, like I said. So braiding hair, like for twists and stuff, lasts a long time, especially, and the texture. So let me tell you guys about the texture. I'm sure you can see it here, but it is like it's kind of like a soft marley. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to show it to you guys straight out the pack, but this is basically the pattern, because I did not dip the hair or anything. I used the rubber bands at the top and bottom. So yeah, really, really pretty. I had actually bought this for a crochet, but I never did it. And so I wanted some twists like this, and I was watching some videos, and some people were using hair similar to this. So I was like, okay, I'm going to go ahead and pop this in my head. But yeah, really cute. You guys, and this is not a dark root, so just so you guys know, I don't know if they have one as a dark root or not, but this one is not, so it's burgundy throughout. So yeah, so once I do that, I think I don't know, I think I might do these. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and remove all the red hair, and then I'm gonna start not gelling, but like applying the edge wax to each box and then twisting it back up. So I'll come in and out and kind of show you guys how I'm doing this. It's really easy. I'll show you guys at least 1 or 2 at the front, just so you can get the method if you haven't seen this before. I'm pretty sure I have a video on my channel where I did some twists similar to this, so I will link that in the description box down below for you guys as well. So I'll see you guys in just a few moments. hair, and this is how it's looking. I still have the rubber bands in and everything. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys how I'm going to do this. So I went ahead and, let me scoot closer. So I went ahead and removed the rubber band from this one right here. And then I'm just gonna put this up and out of the way. And so for each twist, I'm just gonna decide if I think it needs to be moisturized or, you know, whatever at the root. So here you guys can see I do have a little bit of buildup. This is just the wax buildup because I used so much of it, and the rubber band was right there. So all I'm gonna do is take this spray bottle. This is aloe vera juice. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of that at the root, and you can see this is turning kind of white, but you can see how it's dissolved that buildup right there. This piece was a little dry. I'm gonna take just a little bit of the As I Am Double Buttercream and just apply a little bit of that and then just run my fingers through it. I didn't use a comb or anything. And you guys can see it's still nicely in the box. So all I'm going to do now is apply some of the edge wax. This is the one I'm using. And you want to be generous with this. Do not skimp on your wax and your edge control and stuff, because that's how, you know, your boxes look nice. So, and definitely on the whole shaft of the hair as well, because you guys probably saw, I did not address this, but you probably saw when I was showing you the red parts that a lot of them were super frizzy, and it's because I didn't use enough of the edge control around it, or not of the edge wax. So I'm about to use edge control right now. This is the edge booster because these are at the front of my hair. I want to go ahead and use my edge control on this. So once I do this, I'm just going to use a brush. This is just my little toothbrush since it's such a small section. I don't want to use anything too big. And then all you want to do is get your rubber band. Now you can dip these in oil and all that if you want, and I probably will do that, but I'm just going to show you guys one right now. So yeah, once I get it nice in the little box, I'm just going to apply the rubber band to it. I usually go around about 4 to 5 times per box, just depends. And this is what you're going to be left with here. I'm gonna go ahead and open the pack of hair, take a strand out, or 2 strands actually. I'm gonna do 2 strands per twist. The first time I did this, I did 1.5. But really that was just because I felt like I kind of had to ration hair because I only bought 2 bags, but I bought 3 this time so that I don't have to do that. So literally this is the hair, this is the whole 20 inches. And all I'm gonna do is take my beater. You guys know, love this beater. You can use a latch hook obviously for this, but you know, if you've been to my channel before, I love a beater. So I'm just gonna go under the rubber band, just like this. You guys see the hole here. We're gonna pull it under the braid. You see it over here. And then all we're going to do is pull it. And it's gonna be just like this. And just make sure that both ends are even. And then all you wanna do is take your real hair, split it. Gonna split it in half. And then you'll have it for each piece just like this. And then once I've separated it, I'm gonna apply more wax down the entire shaft of hair. You guys can see how it looks now. And then you're ready to twist. So it's super easy without the invisible knot method. You literally just start twisting. And you guys can kind of see I'm winding it just a little bit. You don't have to do this part, but this is how I twist. So really easy, you guys. And you can see the hair is nice and tucked in because I used a good amount of the edge wax. And just make sure you apply it down the hair as you twist. Okay guys, and this is how it looks. I don't know if I'm gonna put anything at the end or not. I don't think so, but I'm gonna think about it. I may just do a rubber band like kind of down here, but I want this curl at the end. I think I'm gonna leave them long. This time, I don't know. Let me show you guys how long they are. I know it said 20 inches, but this is how it looks when you twist it. So it literally comes all the way to my waist. Super cute. Oh, and by the way, you guys, like, this is a real chill video, so I just want to show y'all my outfit since I'm standing. This is from my store. I think I've worn this in a video before. Honestly, I don't remember, but this is a loungewear set from my store. I will link it down below in the description box in case you guys are interested in that, just by the way, since you guys can see my outfit. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and continue putting these twists in, and then I will come back and show you guys as well. Yeah. So yeah, cute. And I'll come back and show you guys probably before I put the beads and stuff in, and we'll just lay the edges, and I'll show you guys if I keep them long or short or whatever. So we'll go ahead and jump right in.
I've been thinking that you had to come around no more, and it's hurting me so bad, it's hurting me so bad. Every time you walk away, I still need you by my side. Every time you put me up again, you know I loved you, but you lied. You know I loved you, but you lied to me. I've been thinking about us. I've been thinking about. I've been thinking that you had to come around no more. And it's hurting me so bad. It's hurting me so bad. And I'm trying to move on from you. Yeah, I'm trying to move on from you. And I'm trying to let go of you. Really, I'm trying to move on from you. Every time you walk away, I still need you by my side. Every time you put me up again, you know I loved you, but you lied. But you lied to me. I've been thinking about us. I've been thinking about what we are. I've been thinking that you have to come around. And it's hurting me so bad. It's hurting me so bad.
So in love with these twists. This is the final result. I think they came out so pretty, you guys. Like, you can't tell me like I'm not a professional. Like, these look so good. They look so good. Let me show you guys the back. They are super long, as you guys can see. I do have to trim just the end a little bit, but they are definitely waist length. So this is the 20-inch hair, but by the time it's stretched out, it is definitely longer. So yeah, these are so cute. I love them. I'm probably gonna go ahead and put just a few little like jewels on them and stuff. Yeah, it's kind of liven them up a bit, a little gold something beads and stuff. So yeah, I will put in a little clip of me at the end or the beginning of the video or something so you guys can see them with like the little jewels on and stuff. So yeah, but that's pretty much it for this video. And once again, I will leave a similar video to this with twist where I use the same method in the description box down below for you guys. You can check that out. And also my store website, don't forget to check that out so you guys can get some loungewear. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.